Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. This is Aisha. Welcome to my kitchen, the Ashes Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a sweet dish called Sheer Kurma. I'm just about to make it and I thought I should share the entire recipe with you all. This is my way of making the dish. So please check out how do I make this. If you like it, please comment, and those who have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. So let's head on to my kitchen and check out how do I make this recipe. Welcome to Ash's Kitchen, and today we are making our sheer kurma. These are dry fruits. This is sevai. This is kaju powder. This is kharik, and this is sugar. In these dry fruits, I have included badam and charoli and pistas. I had soaked it overnight and peeled it and cut it in this way. And now we'll come to the milk. Here I have boiled 3 liters of whole fat milk, and I would just be stirring the malai which has toppled onto the face of the milk, and would mix the entire malai into it and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes so that it becomes a little thick. Now we'll start roasting our dry fruits. I've kept the milk to boil on the other burner, and here I'm taking it good amount of ghee because we are making sheer kurma. So the ghee has heated, and if required I'll put in more. For now I'm just putting in this much. I'll just explain again. These dry fruits are cut in long shape. This is badam, charoli and pista. So soaked it overnight and cut it in this shape. It's 50 grams of badam, 25 grams of pista, 25 grams of charoli for 3 liters of milk. So these are the proportions. Now I would be slowly putting in the entire dry fruits into this. So I have put in the dry fruits, and I would be stir frying these dry fruits in ghee. You have to be very careful while doing so because little bit of burning will spoil the whole sheer kurma. And while you soak them overnight, take it into a vessel which is properly clean so that no soap or something is there in the vessel, remains of soap, because the entire milk would tear then if the dry fruits are cut in that kind of vessel. So this I would stir fry for another 4 to 5 minutes till the time it becomes a little crispy and the aroma of all the dry fruits starts oozing out. After soaking the badam and pistas and charolis overnight, you have to remove the skin, and then skin of the badam and pista, and then slice it in this way. In case if you have less time, you can boil the badam and then it easily gets peeled out. But I prefer the traditional way, the way which we do. So both the ways are good. So this has been done, and I would be removing it in a pan and keeping it aside. Now this is again a dry fruit. This is called kharik. Again I had soaked it in water and peeled it in this way. So this I would be roasting it separately. So I included 4 dry fruits, and kaju powder I have made, which I will put later on. So this would take another 2 minutes, and then we'll keep this also aside. So this is also done now. If you want, you can roast it with the other dry fruits, but I roast it separately. So we would be removing this also aside now. So this is the third step. These are sevai, which you get easily into the market, and these are roasted, but still I roast it into ghee because as we are doing everything in ghee, so this should also get the flavors. So after dry fruits, I would be roasting this for another 1.5 minutes so that it becomes a little bit more crispy, and then we would keep this also aside. So this is also done, and I'll put the measurements in the description box, but I'm telling you here also, this is 1 good cup of vermicelli, roasted sevai, and I'll put it in the description box also. Okay, now I switch off the gas. I'll keep this aside, and now I'll take the milk back to the burner. Now we come to our milk, and as I told you, I'm reducing the consistency of the milk a little, which I have done, and I've mixed all the cream inside. After this I would be putting my sugar. For 3 liters of milk, I will be putting 3 cups of sugar, and if required I'll put more. You can take a call on this according to your milk usage. After putting in the sugar which has dissolved in the milk, this is kaju powder. Okay, I'm putting in that to make it all the more rich. You can omit in certain steps. It's not necessary that everything you have to put. You can take a call on the dry fruits itself, but since it's a festive day, so I put everything into it. So just keep on stirring the milk. It should not burn. That's the major thing you have to pay attention in this recipe. After the kaju has got thoroughly mixed, now it comes to put in the entire dry fruits which we have roasted in ghee and we had kept it aside. So here I would be mixing the entire dry fruits and giving it a good mix. So after the dry fruits, lastly I'm going to put in the roasted sevai. Okay. While the milk is boiling, I'm putting in cardamom, 5 to 6. And I also put in cardamom powder, so a little bit I would be sprinkling that. This is easily available in the market. I put both the things. Again, you can take a call on this. You can put in one, either the powder, either the elaichi thing, but I put in both. And I would be giving it a good mix, waiting for another 5 to 7 minutes so that it becomes, you know, everything gets settled inside, all the aroma of all the things. So it has been done. It has been more than 7 to 8 minutes, and I was continuously monitoring the process, and the gas was on medium. So don't leave the gas and go anywhere, because the entire thing is very this thing. It might get burnt or something, and then it will be a waste of time then cooking it. Okay, so now it has been done, and now as you can see, the dry fruits are assembling up, and in some time the ghee will also come and form a layer. And now I would plate it and show you. So I have plated it now, and we are done with the dish. In this dish, you can actually take a call on the dry fruits. As I said before, everything need not be put, but as it is festive, so I've put in everything. It's very tasty, and of course it's loaded in calories, but after that you can go for a jog after having this. So I hope you like the recipe. Kindly comment, like, subscribe, and for now I will take your leave. Take care. Bye bye.